A very good morning, 8th standard. This is your social studies class, and today we are going to learn about types of wind in block 22, elements of weather and climate. I hope you all are fine, good, and healthy at home. I hope you have celebrated your Independence Day nicely. Now, get ready with your content book, notebook, worksheet, and the essential stationery. First of all, we will do a quick recap. In previous two lesson plans, we have read about temperature and heat zones and air pressure and wind system. Now here are the keywords for this lesson plan. These words are aggregate, definite, bearing, and whirling. Now, as usual, I am going to start this lesson plan with a question. And the question is, what is the difference between air and wind? I hope many of you know this answer. Here is the sample answer. The aggregate of gases, water vapor, dust particles, and microscopic organisms that form the layer of atmosphere is called air. And air in motion is wind. It is named according to the direction from which it blows. For example, the wind blowing from the northeast is called northeast wind. And the wind that is blowing from the east, those are called easterlies. So I hope you understood what are we going to learn today. So today we will learn about different types of wind and the wind system of the world. Now what will you do for it? First of all, you will copy the table in your notebook that is given in the next section. After that, you will read the section types of wind. And then observe the figures 5, 6, 7 and 8. After watching it carefully, fill in the tables that is given here. You will divide your notebook into two parts. Notebook in the sense you will draw the table like this, not you will separate it. Okay, types of wind. In types of wind, you will write down permanent, periodic, variable, and local winds. After that, you will note down the subtypes. If you have any problem in note down like this, you can draw a flow chart according to you also. Got it? You can pause the video here. Read the section, copy the table, fill the table, and come back again. I will discuss few more questions related to your activity. I hope you have done it. Now, tell me, what are major wind systems of the world? The second question is, what are the subtypes of each major winds? So, the types of wind, you can make a flow chart. First is permanent wind. The permanent winds are also called primary winds. And the subtypes of these winds are trade winds, westerlies, and polar easterlies. Got it? Periodic winds. These are the secondary, and these are also of three types. land breeze and sea breeze, monsoon winds, and the mountain breeze and valley breeze. This type of breeze you will not read in your section. The third type of wind are variables wind. Variable winds are of two types: cyclone and anticyclone. And another one is local winds. Local winds include Lu, Mistral, Chinook, Pampero, and so on. In these type of winds, few winds are cold wind and few are warm wind. As you had experienced Lu in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and few parts of Punjab also. So these are the local winds and it is called Lu. It is a warm wind. Now, how do planetary winds develop? So, planetary winds blow in a definite direction throughout the year, from subtropical high pressure belts to equatorial low pressure belts. Got it? How do periodic winds develop? During the day, high pressure prevails over the sea and low pressure over the land near coast. This is due to different rates of heating of land and water. Therefore, cool breeze blow from sea towards the land breeze. At night, cool breeze blow from the land towards the sea as land breeze. The large mass of moisture bearing wind that blows from the sea towards the warmer land is called monsoons. What about variable winds? The whirling motion of winds is known as cyclones and anticyclones. Cyclones have low pressure center with converging winds. Anticyclones are diverging winds from the center of high pressure. What about local winds? Local winds are named locally as per the events of purpose. For example, Chinook. Chinook means snow eater in North America, as this warm wind helps the snow to melt in the Rockies. I hope you know Rockies. Rockies are the mountains. Now, what is the difference between sudden and local winds? Sudden winds do not have any definite time of occurrence. As temperature rises and falls unexpectedly at any time of the or season, high speed winds set in. Therefore, they are called sudden winds. These are short duration winds that can occur at any place and time. On the other hand, local winds are specific in their locations. Some of them are seasonal and as long as the prevail as long as the temperature pressure conditions remain. Their speed is moderate to low unless and until local weather condition changes suddenly. Got it? In a simple language, if I will say the difference between sudden and local wind, so sudden winds do not have definite time. Local winds are specific in their location. Sudden winds can occur unexpectedly anytime. Local winds are seasonal. You can take the example of Lu, as it blows only in summer. Sudden winds, short duration winds. Local winds are prevails as long as pressure conditions remain. It means only till summer season the Lu blows. What about sudden winds? Sudden winds are high speed winds. Local winds speed is moderate to low. These were the differences. I hope you understood it. These are the local winds. Okay. Now, I hope you have understood. Now, what will you do? You will complete the section types of wind again. Then you will do practice question 7 to 9 in your notebook and finish S3 in your workbook. If you do have any problem, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.